Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make this miniature cake inspired by Fortnite's first birthday celebrations happening at the moment, so let's get started. For the colours inside the cake, I made two different shades of purple by combining different amounts of Sculpey polymer clay in fuchsia and gentle plum. I then laid down 4 popsicle sticks, 2 on each side, and then placed my clay in the middle before flattening it down with my roller. By using the popsicle sticks, it helps keep the thickness of the clay even throughout, and it's a great way if you don't own a pasta machine. I then removed 1 popsicle stick from each side to create a thinner blue layer that then goes between the purple cake parts. Next, I took a round cookie cutter and I pressed it into the clay to create the cake layers. You want to make 2 darker purple, 1 lighter purple, and then a few blue layers as well. Then go ahead and stack these on top of each other, and then you can roll the whole cake on its side to make sure that it's even. Now create a thin sheet of the blue clay for the icing on the outside, and use your blade to trim it to size and then wrap it around the cake. I then blended the joint and smoothed it out with my needle tool and finger. Next, take your blade and cut out a slice of the cake. If your clay is really soft, you can place it in the fridge or freezer to harden it slightly first. Now it's time to add some texture to the purple parts of the clay by swirling around a needle tool gently onto the clay. For the plate, I took some slightly darker blue clay and I rolled it into a circular shape. Then I used my round cookie cutter again to create another circle, which I then added to the bottom of the plate. When you're happy with the shape and the size of the plate, you can then attach your cake on top. To make the white frosting, I'm going to be using Sculpey Bacon Bond, which is a liquid clay. So I poured some out of the bottle onto a small sheet of paper and then mixed in some clay until it was all nice and smooth. I then used a needle tool to carefully add it on top of the cake, as well as some drips down the side and also along the bottom. Now we can make the decorations. So firstly, I'm taking some pink clay and cutting it with my blade to create the number 1, before taking a darker pink clay and adding a thin border around the edge. Next, for the candles, you'll need some blue and purple clay rolled into coils. Join these together and then roll it out into a longer snake and then gently twist them. For the flame, I'm using the colour Citrine Quartz by Fimo and pinching one end to shape it. I'm then shading the very tip of it using an orange chalk pastel to create a small gradient. To finish off the candles, attach both of these pieces together and then you can add them around the top of the cake, and then go ahead and bake in your oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, take some acrylic paint in yellow, pink and green and add polka dots all over the blue icing. I used a dotting tool to apply the paint onto my cake. And then finally you can add some glaze to your piece for extra protection and shine, and for mine I'm using some UV resin. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!